She's wet. It's a wet weather day, and so it's a day for wet weather jobs. I'm really pleased with how it's coming along. My brother's with me now. He's moved in with Liz and myself, and so it's really great to have him. He's actually become my first apprentice, and that's really exciting. Got some big news. I am now officially self-employed, doing most of the same as what I was doing, just for different people, and it's really good. It's working out. I can focus on doing YouTube videos a bit more and developing new products. As you've seen, I've put out, I think, 2 new stoves over the last 3 weeks or something. It's been really good. It's actually it's been crazy, but it's been really good. But the pressure's on now to actually make money. It's a good sort of pressure. It's kind of like it's motivating, and it's not overwhelming, not at all. I'm actually really enjoying it. I just finished my fitter and turner apprenticeship. So if you recall, a while back, I made a video where I started off and I mentioned that, well, it's finished. I am officially, I guess, dual qualified now. I'm a sheet metal fabricator and a fitter and turner. So that's really good. It's something that I've always been interested in. My grandfather on my dad's side, he was a fitter and turner, as my dad was. So it's kind of cool to be continuing that skill, that tradition down the line. I jokingly say that metalworking is in my blood, and that's not because of the amount of welding fumes I suck, breathe in on a daily basis. It's good news. So far it's really good. It's really working out well, and I have nothing but confidence that it's going to keep working out. You know, hard work and diligence, and it always has its reward. And so if you're self-motivated, if you're not afraid of a bit of hard work, then yeah, it pays off. Diligence always pays off. I can remember I was listening to a preacher one day, and he was talking about how hard are you willing to work and how big are you willing to dream. And it was like, yeah, that really struck home. And I realised that, you know, I need to, you know, dream big, and I need to really be willing to work hard and take risks. And in some regards, that's what this is. This is a risk, but it's also, yeah, everything just really has fallen together well. I could stand here for ages and talk to you all about it. It's just really cool how it's all happened. And I'll fill you in more as this journey progresses. It's going to be exciting. That's some big iron. This whole piece is 700 mil long, 80 mil in, 100 mil up, whatever that is, 155 mil from there to there, and 59 mil up from the bottom. And basically this is going to be a vortex generator. Well, the hope is it'll be a vortex generator. I'm feeling confident. This has got to be the biggest stove I've ever made. Just, it's ridiculous. See, it's nice in the middle. I hope you can. Oh, there. There's something in that box. Oh. It's Frank. Everyone say hello to Frank. He didn't hear you. Where were we? Before Frank interrupted us. So, SD card full. Sorry about that. But all I've done is weld up around, cut this piece for the legs, and I just want to get it upright so I can test it. Oh my! She's big. Let's give it a go. I've got no dry wood really, not with all this rain. So I'm giving it a little help with some canola oil. We're still getting up to temperature, and I think we're still burning up some of the oil, but so far so good. This is totally not a paid promotion. This bloke's a friend of mine, and he's recently started making soap because he's seen the need for more good Australian-made products. So if you're interested in supporting this fellow, there's his number. Give him a call. The soap is really reasonably priced, and I use it, and I'm really happy with how it works. It gets the tough stuff off really well. And they're nice big bars too. There you go.